It's in your dog's nature to bark, but excessive and nuisance barking can negatively impact how much you enjoy the time that you have with your dog. At PetSafe, we design products that are specifically for enhancing the relationship that you have with your pet. And one example of this are our bark control collars. We've designed the deluxe little dog bark collar with little dogs specifically in mind. So if you have a little guy in your life who has a big bark, you need this collar. It's the smallest collar on the market, and it safely and effectively impacts the problem of nuisance barking. This video demonstrates how this collar works, and it will help you understand how to use it. The collar is designed specifically for small dogs, but will fit pets weighing up to 55 pounds. It's adjustable to fit neck sizes up to 20 inches. When it comes to correcting a bark problem, consistency is key. And because the Deluxe Little Dog Spray Bark Collar senses both the vibration in your pet's throat and the audible sound of their bark, it will consistently correct their barking every time your pet barks. It also will discriminate your pet's bark from any other audible sounds. When this happens, the collar will emit a short burst of lemon-scented spray. It's harmless, but a little annoying to your pet, and it will interrupt their barking pattern every time. You'll notice within a few short days, there'll be a big difference in your dog's barking. The proper fit and placement of the bark collar is critical to its effectiveness. To ensure that you have the proper fit of your collar, have your dog stand comfortably. Place the collar high on your dog's neck and close to the ears, and with the spray nozzle facing upward. If you have a long-haired dog, it may be necessary to trim the neck hairs along the pathway of the spray. It's important that the spray reaches the dog's snout to be most effective. Recheck the fit of the collar as your dog becomes more comfortable wearing it. The fit of the collar should be snug but not constricting. Allow your dog to wear the collar for several minutes, then recheck the fit. You may also wish to trim off the excess of the collar once you're certain you have the proper fit. To do this, mark the desired length of the collar with a pen. Trim off the excess and seal the edge of the cut collar by applying a flame along the frayed edge. When checking the length, be sure to consider if your pet may grow or if they have a winter coat. Now you need to fill the unit with the lemon spray. Holding the lemon spray can upright, firmly press the nozzle down into the refill port. Hold for about 15 seconds and then remove. Now let's turn the unit on. Using a coin, turn the battery module to the on position. The LED light will flash yellow, letting you know the unit is on. Now you're ready to place the bark control collar back on your dog and wait nearby until he barks. You should notice a big difference in your dog's barking in just a few short days when using the collar. However, your pet may try to test the new experience of wearing a bark collar and may start barking even more. At this point, it's very important to continue consistent usage of the collar. And particularly, make sure your dog's wearing the collar whenever you don't want them to bark. Lastly, it's important to not allow your pet to wear the collar for more than 8 hours in a 24-hour period. This is for their comfort and safety. We're sure that you're going to enjoy the Deluxe Little Dog Bark Control Collar and that you'll have peace and quiet restored to your home. If you have any questions about this product or any of the other products we sell, please feel free to contact our Customer Care Center. And thanks for choosing PetSafe. It's in your dog's nature to bark, but excessive and nuisance barking can negatively impact how much you enjoy the time that you have with your dog. At PetSafe, we design products that are specifically for enhancing the relationship that you have with your pet.